I didn't see very much on the internet about charging the DJI controller for Spark. The thing that threw me is one of these connections is a cell phone connector and the other one doesn't look exactly the same. But they will both work, and though the adapter on the controller is rectangular, the regular cell phone connector will work on it. So I just wanted to make a video to let people that are trying to charge their DJI and are a little confused because of the two cables that came with the DJI. This is a video just to abate that confusion. So even though the DJI controller for the Spark comes with these two cables, and these two cables are rectangular on one side and fit into this adapter here, you can still just use this regular cell phone adapter to go into that rectangular adapter, and that's how you would charge up the DJI controller.